Let's go. What are you doing? Look at you. She's getting it now. Just funny.
Never thought to do that. I thought, you think whatever, but.
What are you doing?
Where are you going?
You like it, Nova?
Here you go, push it. Push it. Push it. Push it.
Now she wants to play with the front of it.
Push it over there. Push it over there. Yeah. Come over here. Hey, Goofus.
Nova. She just wants to play with it now.